In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to add your own logo to your website. Now, once you're on your account dashboard, you go to Edit Site. That's going to bring you into the page builder. Click on the current logo, hover on the left, and click Replace. Now you're going to click Upload Image. Navigate your files to your logo, and upload. Hover over your logo and click the checkbox, and hit Apply Changes. Now you can see our logo is populated up here. If you click it one more time, it's going to bring up some options on the left. You can adjust the logo width, top padding, and the bottom padding. Click Apply Changes when you're done. Be sure to save. And publish your changes to make them live. And that's it for this tutorial.